If your email has become a breeding ground for unwanted mail, there are ways to reverse the situation or at least stop it from happening again. Almost all email services have spam filter, which will detect which types of email are possibly unwanted and will save them in a specific folder for you to consult, if you wish, and after a few days delete them directly. You can indicate which emails you receive in your inbox should go to the spam folder and which of those you have sent to the junk folder should leave there are because they are important to you. So in Gmail, every time you open an email, you will see three dots at the top right, and if you press it, you will see a menu that gives you the option to mark as spam. On the other hand, if you check spam folder and find a useful email, open it and click the Not Spam button at the top of the page. You can also use an application such as CleanFox, a free anti-spam to get rid of newsletter, spam, and advertising emails in one click. It allows you to view your newsletters according to their opening rate and the number of messages received. You can automatically delete, receive, and future emails from a newsletter. Many of the emails you receive nowadays and consider spam can be avoided. When you search on the internet, be careful with the alerts you activate so that you don't receive too many emails with a certain subject. If you are no longer interested, remember to unsubscribe and disable them.